Hey everyone, my name is Kevin Moore and I'm the head instructor of Ani Art Academy America, located in Red Bank, New Jersey. And today I'm going to be starting a new weekly video series where I show some exercises and sketches for all you guys that are stuck at home right now looking for something to do. So if you like drawing or you're interested in trying it out, or you just like to distract yourself from the news for a little while, then I would like to encourage you to follow my videos every week. First, I'm going to show you a quick warm-up exercise, and then we can move on to a fun line drawing together. The materials we will be using today are a pencil, sheet of paper, and a ruler. You can find links to the reference sheets in the video description. First, we will start with a few eye studies from the Charles Barg drawing course. You can use the ruler to measure and lightly draw a cross to use as a guide. Try to copy the reference as best you can. Pay very close attention to how the angles and lengths of the lines interact with the guide. Next, we will move on to a fun sketch of a landscape. Starting with the house, measure the height and width so you can lightly form a boundary box, also known as an envelope. This will help you execute the size and proportions of your subject more accurately. Using the envelope as a guide, begin to draw a simplified outer contour of the house. When you feel confident enough, you can erase the envelope. Remember to keep your lines very light so that they can easily be removed when necessary. Carefully add the lines inside of your contour. Try to replicate the angles and shapes as accurately as possible. Next, I will demonstrate a similar process for the tree line by enveloping each tree with a few broad angles. After you are happy with the size and proportion, you can create a more specific edge of the tree line. Just like before, you can now add the inside shapes. You can line up the top fence post with the bottom of the house by imagining a horizontal line connecting them. Feel free to also use vertical lines to improve your accuracy. As you continue with your drawing, keep using the same techniques as before. Take your time and try to have some fun with it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I would like to thank Mark Otto from the United War Veterans Council for asking me to do these videos. If you'd like to learn more about the Ani Art Academies or the United War Veterans Council, please check out our websites at aniartacademies.org and uwvc.org.